So let's have a look at what's in the box. Two smaller boxes, awesome. This box, oh, it's hard to do one-handed. I've got to do this now so I can use the camera because I want to film other stuff, and it's still going to be the best camera I own. So this is the HDR 300 1080p HD action cam from Sony, based on the previous models that I've owned. It's going to be amazing. It's just not going to be 4K. This is what I thought I was getting. So you get the camera in the case, waterproof case. I've got a USB cable, battery to go in it, and a clip for anything you like by the look of it. That's the little bolt that goes into it, M8 I think they are, or M6. And that'll make for good viewing. Sony Action Cam sticker. And several hundred pages of booklets. And in the other kit, I'll have a better look now at what came in this box. So that's the camera, which I'll give you a proper look at, or I may have already done. So we have a suction cup mount. So this is the accessories pack. Suction cup mount. Not sure what happened there. Camera just turned itself off. This appears to be the head mount. Certainly appears to be some sort of head mount, doesn't it? We have a bar clamp, so for things like the handles on a bicycle. Miscellaneous piece of hardware to go with all those. This I think is a chest mount. Yeah, so that goes on your chest, and these go over your shoulders, that down your back, and then around your waist. I might need 3 of them to get around me. They might be to suit Chinese people. Hardware. I'm sure that they are useful in conjunction with the other parts. This little tripod, let's see if it's flexible. I'll open it up. Yep, tripod's got like flexi legs. They're all soft and padded, so you can put them on things like cars and without scratching them. So that's a good thing. I've never had a tripod before. This is a float. So when you take it on a boat or underwater or whatever, it's not going to sink to the bottom. This I'm not sure of. So this is some sort of, oh, it's got an adhesive on it. I'm not 100% sure what this is for. It obviously mounts the camera. I don't know why I would have an adhesive and a strap. Maybe it's just optional. I'm not sure specifically what the strap is for. It's too small for a head. It's too big for a wrist. I'm sure it's useful for something. Selfie stick. It's telescopic. I'm not sure how useful that'll be, but came in the kit. This mates up with this standardized clip that they use, and I don't think I have any for it though. And some more hardware along with the felt bag. So that's the accessories pack. That's the camera. It's another clip. Battery. Okay. That is that. Now I'll do a proper unboxing of the dash cam. It has instructions in Chinese. Good, Chinese. I'd be disappointed if it was anything else. The camera itself, this is a 2.5-inch display, I think it's supposed to be. I'm going to fit this to the Falcon and test it out, see how it goes. And the next video you see of me doing that will be using that. It's all packaged up quite neatly, it's well protected in the foam, and this little accessories box, which you can't get out. So in our little accessories box we have, this is the data cable to get the stuff off the camera, the suction cup mount that matches with that, and just the cable to go in the car. That's all there is to it. Yeah, so when I put this in the car, I'll show you what it's like. That was it. That's what I bought for myself for Christmas. I bought 3 things and got 2 of the wrong things, but onus is on the buyer to make sure they press the right buttons. So let that be a lesson to me to double check what I click on. I just must have pressed the wrong buttons, which is very disappointing. I may buy another camera because I do want a better camera. I do want to go 4K. I could probably invest in just making better videos, but just going 4K seems to be an easier option than actually learning how to edit videos or do thumbnails or anything like that. 4K seems to be the way forward. Yeah, that's my gift pack. That's what I got, and tomorrow, maybe this afternoon, I'll put that Sony Action Cam together and start filming some stuff. The 300ZX is driving and working. I do have a couple more. I've got like 4 or 5 videos uploaded to YouTube ready to publish over the next few days while I've got the time off work. And yeah, so they'll be going up over this week, which will be a couple of weeks ago by the time you see this. And then I'll start with the newer stuff with the better camera. The quality of the footage has really dropped. This phone camera, for whatever reason, does some weird fluctuating focus stuff, and the old Sony Action Cam has finally, after 4 years of being in really hot cars and stuff, it's finally started to let go and doesn't seem to want to focus properly. And the low light's really bad, so hopefully the low light filming on this other Action Cam is better. I know that the 3000 had really good low light recording because I looked at that. I don't know about this one. We'll find out shortly, eh?